Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to connect your hardware wallet to MetaMask. I've got coins stored on my Trezor and I want to use them directly on different websites and apps through MetaMask. Let's jump right in. I'm using the Trezor 1, the basic model, but the process is similar for other Trezor devices. First, I connect it to my computer and open the Trezor suite. Now it asks me to enter my PIN. On the Trezor screen, the numbers are scrambled, so I just match them inside Trezor Suite. Once that's verified, I choose my standard wallet. Next, let's open MetaMask. Since I'm on a MacBook, I'm using Google Chrome with the MetaMask extension installed. Safari won't work with MetaMask. Inside MetaMask, I open the extension and go to Connect Hardware Wallet. I select Trezor and click Continue. MetaMask will then ask permission to read the public keys from my Trezor. I confirm that, and since I don't use a passphrase, I just click enter. Now it shows me the available accounts from my hardware wallet. I pick the one I want, click unlock, and that's it. My Trezor wallet is now connected to MetaMask. From here, I can use my hardware wallet's funds directly in MetaMask to interact with apps, websites, or DeFi protocols. And that's how you connect a hardware wallet like Trezor to MetaMask. If you found this helpful, make sure to drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.